In this installment of our series on Kentucky's new medical cannabis law, we'll discuss some things you should be aware of on the local level. While the state has passed statutes and regulations relating to Kentucky's new medical cannabis law, local governments of either counties or cities can also enact additional restrictions for the law or can opt out of the law altogether. Is the Belle of Louisville here going to interfere?
I don't think so.
Okay, all right. If a local government opts into the state's plan, that local government can enact additional restrictions for any cannabis business. These restrictions can come in the form of local ordinances or zoning regulations. It's important to know that anything enacted by a local government can be more restrictive than what is required under state law. Local governments can also issue additional taxes or levy additional fees on any cannabis business.
Local governments are able to pass resolutions that further restrict the business operations within their jurisdictions. If a local government decides to pass these resolutions, they were required to submit this information to the state by August 13th, 2024. In addition, a local jurisdiction can decide to opt out entirely, and they have until January 1st, 2025 to submit this to the state. The state is maintaining a list on its website that sets forth the local jurisdictions who have put in place restrictions and who have decided to opt out. If a county does decide to opt out entirely, the cities within that county may still allow cannabis businesses to continue to operate. The period to opt out creates a potential issue where an applicant could be issued a license in an area that has then opted out. If this is to occur, the state will issue a provisional license to that licensee, and the licensee will have 120 days to identify a new location and submit this information to the state.
It's an exciting time for businesses in Kentucky. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or any of my colleagues at DBL Law.